Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a Slip desktop shortcut for Windows 10. In case your Windows 10 PC supports Slip function, you can create a desktop shortcut to make your PC slip quickly. For this, you need to use one command that you can find it in this video description. So let me start without any delay. First one, right click on the desktop on the free space and select here new and then shortcut option. Then copy and paste this one command from this one video description. Then click on this one next button. Then name it as slip. Then click on this one finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut to put your PC in sleep mode. In case you want to change its icon and you want to make your PC sleep using a shortcut key, just right click on this one shortcut, select properties in the drop down menu. In the shortcut tab, click on this one change icon button. Then in case your PC you have saved any icon that you have downloaded and want to use for sleep, you can click on this one browse option and then navigate and select the icon file and then click on this one OK button. Otherwise, you can use from your Windows PC built-in shortcut and then click on this one apply. Sorry, built-in icon and click on this one apply and then OK button. In case you want to create a shortcut key for this sleep option, under shortcut key click on this one box and then you can type any letter or key from the keyboard, such as I want to press S key for sleep. I have pressed letter S on my keyboard and Windows have automatically added Control plus Alt for this shortcut. That means I can access sleep function in this PC by pressing Control Alt plus S at a time. After setting this one keyboard shortcut, click on this one apply button, click on this one OK button. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.